For many families in Foley, the idea of aging in place is becoming increasingly important. Seniors and their loved ones want to remain in the comfort of their homes for as long as possible while maintaining safety, independence, and dignity. One of the most effective ways to support this goal is through walk-in showers and tubs, professionally installed to meet the unique needs of older adults. These upgrades not only make daily routines safer but also add comfort and peace of mind for the whole household. Why bathrooms are a key focus for aging-in-place. Bathrooms are one of the most common areas for slips, trips, and falls. Traditional bathtubs and high shower thresholds can pose serious risks for seniors with mobility challenges. Low or no thresholds in walk-in showers reduce tripping hazards. Walk-in tubs with doors eliminate the need to climb over high walls. Non-slip flooring provides stability in wet conditions. By focusing on bathroom safety, Foley homeowners create an environment that makes aging in place more realistic and comfortable. Benefits of walk-in showers for seniors. Walk-in showers are a top choice for families looking to upgrade bathrooms for safety and accessibility. Easy entry and exit. Barrier-free designs let users step in without effort. Spacious layouts provide room for mobility aids like shower chairs or walkers. Custom grab bars and seating add extra safety and comfort. Modern style. Today's walk-in showers combine practicality with elegant, spa-like designs. For seniors in Foley, a walk-in shower means greater independence without sacrificing aesthetics. Advantages of walk-in tubs. Walk-in tubs are another popular option, especially for homeowners who prefer the relaxing experience of soaking. Built-in seating allows users to bathe comfortably without having to lower themselves to the floor of the tub. Hydrotherapy jets help soothe sore muscles, improve circulation, and relieve arthritis pain. Quick drain technology minimizes waiting time, reducing discomfort. Secure doors and safety locks ensure watertight performance. Walk-in tubs combine safety with therapeutic benefits, making them ideal for seniors who want comfort and health support in their daily routine. The importance of professional installation in Foley. While the products themselves are important, professional installation makes all the difference. Local Foley installers understand how to tailor each project to the homeowner's specific needs and bathroom layout. Custom measurements ensure a perfect fit, even in smaller bathrooms. Expert sealing and plumbing prevent leaks and water damage. Compliance with safety standards provides added confidence. Personalized advice helps homeowners choose between walk-in showers, tubs, or a combination. With professional installers, families can trust that their investment will deliver long-lasting safety and comfort. Enhancing home value and peace of mind. Installing a walk-in shower or tub isn't just about safety, it also adds long-term value. Many buyers appreciate accessible features, especially in multi-generational households. Boosted resale value. Accessible bathrooms appeal to a wide range of buyers. Stylish designs. Modern fixtures and finishes enhance aesthetics while improving function. Peace of mind. Families know their loved ones can live at home with greater safety and independence. This combination of beauty, value, and practicality makes walk-in installations a smart choice for Foley homeowners. Final thoughts. Aging in place doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. With the help of Foley walk-in shower and tub installers, seniors and their families can enjoy safer, more accessible bathrooms that blend functionality with elegance. Whether you choose a barrier-free shower, a therapeutic walk-in tub, or a combination of both, professional installation ensures your bathroom meets the needs of today and tomorrow. For Foley homeowners, these upgrades offer more than convenience. They provide independence, peace of mind, and a welcoming home where loved ones can thrive comfortably for years to come.